Hi, welcome. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we're doing a unboxing of BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is one of those things that was never really on my radar at all. I have heard that they have an amazing pop-up section or where you can shop additional products, that those are really, really good deals. I have heard that from numerous people. But the boxes themselves, I've never really been that interested in. A lot of the brands are brands that I don't use or that I wouldn't use. And while one or two of the products I may enjoy, the rest I wouldn't. Now, I have 3 stepdaughters, so I could always give the products to them. But I didn't really ever see the need to buy the box just for 1 or 2 products. Well, they had a really good sale. I swear, I don't even know. So I signed up for BoxyCharm. And the reason that I signed up is because of their add-ons. I guess maybe that's what they're called, or their add-ons. And all of the add-ons came in this box. And they actually came first. So we're going to talk about those first because that is the whole reason that I purchased this that I got BoxyCharm, was because of these add-ons. I saw that they had Chantecaille, and not only did they have Chantecaille, they had amazing prices on Chantecaille, amazing. And I was like, it was literally too good of a deal to pass up. So let's see what I got. The first thing that I picked up was their rose water. And I bought 2 bottles, you guys. I am obsessed with this rose water. It smells so good. It is so fresh. I absolutely love it. So I bought 2 of them. They come in this beautiful, beautiful glass bottle. I absolutely love it. Love it. And it was, honestly, I think it was $12 or something crazy like that. If I can find out how much it was, I will put it down below compared to what it retails for on the website. So I went ahead and picked up 2. I mean, it's that good. So now I have a lot of rose water. The other thing that I picked up is a mascara. So I enjoy the Faux Longest Lash Mascara, but this is the Faux Mascara, which I have never tried. I believe it looks the same, but this one isn't going to have the peptides in it. So, no, it does. The box, the tube, the packaging, I guess, whatever, is a little bit different. So I went ahead and picked up this because I had never tried it, and I thought I would go ahead and give it a go. And then the last thing that I picked up, and this is actually going to go into my 500 subscriber giveaway, which I will be having very, very soon. But this is the Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask. So I went ahead and purchased this, and then I ended up getting a full-size one for free as a gift with purchase. And so I'm going to go ahead and put the one that I purchased into my giveaway. So this is a full size, it's 50 milliliters. Let's see. And this is what it looks like. So I am really, really excited that I was able to get all these products at such an amazing deal. Literally, I think it was 80% off or even more. But I could not. I was like, I don't care what's in the box. I wanted the Chantecaille. So that's what I did. So I signed up in August while I was on vacation, and my first box came, which I believe is the August box. So this is the BoxyCharm, and I just got the plain base box, and it's $25. I did get they had a special going on where you get a free gift with purchase or when you sign up. And so I'm going to show you that one that I picked out first. And this is the Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So this is the item that I did pick out as my like free gift. And I feel like they said that had a retail value of $60, I believe. So that's what it looks like. I do actually really, really like the packaging. It's the kind where you just pump it and it comes out from the top. I really like those kinds of jars. So that is something that I picked out, and I've used Murad before and I do really like their products. So I was happy to get that. So everything else in here, I don't even know if I picked anything out myself. I think I might have, but honestly, I don't remember. So the first thing in here is the full size of Kate Somerville Exfolikate. And this is in a moisturizer, but I feel like it's a exfoliating moisturizer. Yes, it has lactic and hyaluronic acid in it. It says it improves pores and texture while hydrating skin and smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. So that is what I got. I am not going to open it because I do have other moisturizers open, but that is what I got. And I will put the value of each product down below if I can find it. The next item in here is the Clean Slate Clearing Mist. So this says, so long, stubborn acne. This will refine pores, soothe irritation, and remedy acne-prone skin. This lightweight formula absorbs instantly and contains powerful agents that combat imperfections while preventing future breakouts. I don't actually have acne. My son does, so I'm wondering if he would try this. I love the jar. I think that's really, really pretty. But it's glass and it's really nice. The jar, the bottle's really nice. So I'll see if he would be interested in that. If he is not, then I will put this into a giveaway, only because I don't have acne and I would not be able to use it. The next thing in here is a mascara. This is the All Night Bender Black Extreme Lash Mascara from Rockins Cosmetic. I have never heard of this brand, but mascaras are always something that I'm interested in trying, so I will definitely use that. The next thing is some lashes. They look pretty intense. I don't even know the brand. Lava Flirty Lash Set. One pair of exclusive 3D mink eyelashes in style Flirty, one eyelash adhesive, and one applicator. I have eyelashes, but I've never used them. I don't know. I buy them and then I never use them. I don't know if anyone else is like that. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll give these a try. I don't know. And the last thing in here is this Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. I'm going to be real honest with you. This looks funky. It looks like a sponge. I don't know. I'm going to open it. It smells, I guess it smells lime, like a lime. That's what it looks like. Hopefully the camera is focusing. I'm going to leave it up here for a second to see if it'll focus. It looks like melted ice cream. That's what it looks like. I don't know. I just think it looks bad. I'm not even going to. Well, when I rubbed my finger in it, it immediately like melts and turns into like a liquid. So I suppose, I mean, it looks like a lip balm. It does smell very sweet. And I suppose it would keep your lips hydrated, but Glossy Lip Butter. It says it has CBD, pineapple, mango, some oils, vitamin E. I don't know. It just looks funny. Have you guys ever seen this or heard of this, or I don't know. I don't know. Like the outside of it almost looks like my stepdaughter's slime or something. It just looks really, really weird. Yeah, I don't even know that I would use this. And I wouldn't even give it away to anybody because I just think it's weird. So, I don't know. That's what I got. I don't even know how much this thing is worth. Maybe there's a card. Okay, hold up. There's a card. Also, there's a card in here. Hi. You can tell I've never had one of these before. So this tells me what all the products are worth. Okay, so we're gonna go back through. I got the Exfolikate, which is $70. Wow. It says it revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. All right, so I like the sound of that a lot, and I do like Kate Somerville products, so that's good. All right, the holy cow. Hi, the Lava Beauty lashes. These were $54. The Flirty lash set includes a best-selling 3D mink Flirty lash. All right, well, I'll definitely give them a try. I will give them a try. I will give them a try. I would like to like lashes. The Clean Slate has a retail value of $38. This weird stuff is $16. And then the mascara is $29. Okay, so I apologize. I did not know that that they had a card in here. So that was my fault. I apologize. I am very new to this BoxyCharm world. So there you go. That is my first ever BoxyCharm box and unboxing. I am gonna keep my subscription at least through September. I want to see what their additional like add-ons and stuff are, just so that I can kind of see, is it worth it to keep the box just for those add-ons? So that's kind of where I'm at with BoxyCharm right now. But so far, I mean, the add-ons I'm extremely, extremely impressed with. And you guys know that I love Chantecaille. So we're going to see. We're going to keep going. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever had BoxyCharm? What are your thoughts? Or are you like me? Did you hear that they had Chantecaille and you signed right up? I wonder if there were a lot of people that did that, because I just could not believe that they had Chantecaille at such a huge discount. So I don't know. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And like I said, this face mask is coming soon in a giveaway to you. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. That will be one of the requirements when I do the 500 subscriber giveaway. And it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. I mean, we already have some Chantecaille. So I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video.